Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Today we are going to complete our lesson, which is the desert. But first, let's make a revision for the previous session. As we said in the previous session, the desert is a hard environment. There is a lot of variation in temperature between day and night. It's so hot during the day and so cold during the night. In the desert, there is a few amount of water. There is little amount of rain. Okay? That's why very little amount of animals can adapt to it. Few animals can live in the desert. Okay? Like the camel, the dromedary. We can find also palm trees in the oasis and cactus. Okay, these are some of the plants and animals that can adapt to the desert. Now let's complete these sentences. The camel and the dromedary live in the desert. A camel has one hump while dromedary has two humps. This is the difference between them. We can name here three organisms that live in the desert: camel, dromedary, and cactus. We conclude that the desert is a habitat that is poor in water. Poor in water يعني هي فقيرة بالwater ما فيها كتير water as we said, okay? Few plants and animals can be found in a desert. كتير عدد قليل من البلانتس والانيمالز بنقدر نلاقيهم بالديزرت لأنه ما بيقدروا يعيشوا كتير animals plants بالديزرت. Okay? Please read I remember several times. Finally, my heroes, I want you to solve question 1 and 2, page 50 on your books. In question 1, you are going to write true or false beside each sentence, then correct the wrong statements. A desert is a man-made habitat. Let's solve it together, this sentence. Is it true or false? A desert is a man-made habitat. Of course it's false, so we write false here on this line. And then we correct it on this line. We copy all the sentence with correcting the wrong word. We write here a desert is a, we write instead of man-made, we write natural habitat. فإذا نكتب الفولز على أول سطر وعلى تاني سطر بنكتب السنتنس كلها مع تصحيح الكلمة الغلط. Okay? A camel can survive in a desert. If it is true, you write only true. An oasis is an area filled with water that's found in a forest. Many plants can survive in a desert. Okay? In question 2, you are going to give a title to each figure. Okay? Thank you. I'm waiting your exercises.